If you want to manage your notifications on Gate.io, this guide will walk you through the steps to turn them off. Follow these simple instructions to customize your notification settings. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Gate.io website or app and log into your account using your credentials. Ensure you have access to the account you want to modify. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the top right corner of the screen, often represented by your profile icon or settings gear. Step 3. Find notification settings. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled Notifications or Notification Settings. Click on this option to view your current notification preferences. Step 4. Disable notifications. Within the notification settings, you will see various types of notifications listed. Uncheck or toggle off the notifications you wish to disable. This may include alerts for trades, market updates, or promotional messages. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your notification preferences, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Apply button at the bottom of the settings page and click it to ensure your new settings are applied. By following these steps, you can effectively turn off notifications on Gate.io. If you need to adjust your settings in the future, simply revisit the notification settings section.